Well, everybody, I've got to apologize. It has been a long time since I put a video up. I mean, a really long time. And once you know why, you'll see why I haven't put anything up. So we moved. As you can see, we've got a whole brand new garage here. Actually, a very large 3-car now. Got 3 full cars in and a work area, as you can see over here. So yeah, we left California, moved to Colorado. We're here now, and I'm still trying to get shop set up, everything else, the house. So the car's been kind of back burner, but I'm getting there. I wanted to throw this video up because I've got Silver State Classic video from September I want to throw up. I've got an epic drive. I drove from California all the way to Colorado in this thing. Car did great, and we even went over Highway 70. It was snowing a little bit as we peaked 11,000 feet, and the car did great. It was quite hairy, but we'll go into that video in the next week or two. I just want to throw something up and explain why I haven't put anything up. So as you can see now, we got the Weiss Bronco in here. We got the coupe and the CJ. So as I said, I'm still trying to get things set up. We've got new garage doors coming, high lifts, and then I'm going to put a lift right here, a 4-post. I wanted to do a 2-post, but you just can't to get it high enough to clear the Bronco. So this car here is going to go over the top of the Bronco for long-term storage when I'm not using it, probably in the winter. We'll see how it goes, but that's my plan. So garage doors should be here in about 10 days, 2 weeks, and then I'm going to order the lift, and we'll get the lift set up all along this wall. So it's going to be nice to have a lift, even though it is a 4-post, but it is the way it is. So I'll throw this video up so everybody knows what's going on. So you're going to get some epic videos of the coupe. Hopefully next summer it's going to Pikes Peak. I'm not going to do the Pikes Peak hill climb or anything, but I'm going to drive to the top of Pikes Peak. We're going to drive it a lot here, get it all over the mountains, and I'll get some great videos. So sorry again for not posting anything, and expect a couple videos back to back here with this being number 1. Okay, thanks and have a good day.